Hello, welcome to Jamb Question Economics 2010, question number 45. Says the percentage of working population in 2002. Option A says 50%, option B says 25%, option C says 8%, option D says 80%. In our diagram, we have, on the table above, we have year, population, and working population. Our year is 2000, 2001, 2002, 2003. Our population in thousands, 25, 30, 40, 60 respective years. And our working population is in thousands as well, 13, 19, 40, 32, and 49. Now to get the working population in percentage, to get the working population in percentage, we have to add 13 plus 19 plus 32 plus 49, and we add this together, we have 113. So for 2002 it will be 32. 2002 is equals to 32 over 113 times 113, that is 32 over 113 times 100 over 1, which is equals to 28%. You should also know that the working population is also called as the labor force, and it is also called as the active population. And it is combination of all it are called independent age. Combination of all are called independent age. So from our answer, 28%. So option B, we have 28.3, so option B is 25%, so that becomes our nearest option. Thank you, and please subscribe for more questions.